Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a homeowner's insurance quote with Liberty Mutual. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a homeowner's insurance quote with Liberty Mutual, begin by visiting the Liberty Mutual website. Once on the home page, locate the homeowner's insurance section. Click on the Get a Quote button. You will be directed to a new page to start your quote. Begin by entering your address in the provided field. After entering your address, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide details about your home. Fill out information such as the year your home was built and its total square footage. Liberty Mutual may also ask for the number of stories in your home. You will need to specify if your home is a single-family residence or a condominium. Once those details are complete, click Continue to move forward. The next section will focus on personal property. You'll be asked to estimate the total value of your belongings. Include items like furniture, electronics, and clothing. Once you've entered your personal property value, click Continue. Now, you will answer questions regarding safety features in your home. Indicate if you have security systems, smoke detectors, or fire alarms. This information helps to potentially lower your insurance premium. After completing this section, click Continue again. You will then provide additional information about any past claims. Be prepared to answer questions about any insurance claims made in the last 5 years. This will help Liberty Mutual assess your risk level. Once you complete this, click Continue. Now it's time to adjust your coverage options. You can choose your deductible and any additional coverage you may want. Liberty Mutual may suggest coverage levels based on your inputs. Review the suggested coverage and adjust as necessary. Once you are satisfied, click Continue. Next, you will enter your personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and phone number. This information will be used to send your quote and communicate with you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.